Hi Umpile, we finished on sentence number 4 yesterday, so now we're doing sentence number 5. Remember, the sound when you see an O and an O next to each other, so in other words, the double O, the sound is oo, like in the word look, book, tool, room, and cool. Okay, so we start with sentence number 5. The word is broom, broom. And the sentence for the word broom is I sweep, sweep, the carpet, with a broom. I sweep the carpet with a broom. And sentence number 6 is for the word doom, doom. I spray, spray, a fly, fly, with the doom, spray. I spray a fly with the doom spray. Let's see if we have enough time to go over those sentences again. The sound when you see when you see an O and an O next to each other, the sound is oo. I look with my eyes. I like to read a book. My dad fixed a car with a tool. The fan is making my room very cool. I sweep the carpet with a broom. And I spray a fly with the doom spray. Okay, in the next video, we'll be working on the A sound. When an A and a Y or an A and a Y live together in the same house, the sound is A. Like in say, play, ray,